Speechelo Review Usage Experience. If you're looking for a powerful text-to-speech tool that transforms written words into lifelike voices, this is the video for you. Speechelo is designed for content creators, marketers, and anyone who needs high-quality voiceovers without the hassle of hiring a voice actor. With over 30 voices to choose from, including male, female, and child tones, it supports 20-plus languages, making it versatile for a global audience. Its AI-powered engine adds breathing, emphasis, and tone variations to ensure the voiceovers sound natural and engaging. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, podcasts, ads, or e-learning content, Speechelo adapts seamlessly to different use cases. The software is extremely user-friendly. You paste your script into the text box, choose a voice, and let Speechelo handle the rest. For customization, it offers 3 voice tones: normal, joyful, and serious, so you can tailor the mood to suit your content. There's also the option to adjust speech speed and pitch, which is crucial for matching the pace of your video or target audience preferences. The output is surprisingly good for an AI-driven tool, and the voices are significantly less robotic compared to other text-to-speech software. One of the standout features is its simplicity. It's cloud-based, so there's no need for downloads or high-performance hardware. Plus, it integrates well with most video editing tools. I've personally tested it for YouTube narration and ad scripts, and the results were both professional and time-saving. Another advantage is its affordability. Compared to hiring voiceover artists, Speechelo is a one-time investment with no recurring costs for its standard version, though a pro version is available for advanced features like longer script support and additional voices. The only drawback? It's not perfect for long-form narration. While great for shorter content, the voices can sometimes become monotonous in extended formats. But for most creators, especially those focusing on concise projects, it's a game changer. In summary, Speechelo delivers on its promise to provide high-quality voiceovers in minutes. It's perfect for anyone looking to create engaging professional content without breaking the bank. If you're ready to streamline your workflow and elevate your production quality, Speechelo is worth the investment.